It's an honor to be here today to present the Customer Service Award on behalf of Fort William Historical Park. And the nominees are...
The nominees for Customer Service Award are A1 Sewage Services Limited, Authentique Gift Shop, Destination Thunder Bay, Thunder Bay Zero Graphics Incorporated.
Who's it gonna be? And the winner is Destination Thunder Bay.
With over 30 years of experience in the travel and tourism sector, the fun herders at Destination Thunder Bay know what tourists are looking for and put their best foot forward to offer experiences that are new and exciting. Guided by the mantra of do what you do best and partner for the rest, they are keen to team up with exceptional community partners to build the perfect plan that exceeds the expectations of each and every guest. Congratulations, Destination Thunder Bay, on your Customer Service Excellence Award.
I thought I had over the lunch hour to memorize my little speech, so I'm afraid I'm not quite prepared, but extremely honored. So once upon a time, we lived in a world where we could greet the people that we enjoyed with a handshake or a hug. People threw amazing parties. They hosted epic events. And there was people who came by busloads to our city just looking for someone to show them around. And that was when Scott, you're contagious. Destination Thunder Bay thrived during that time. My colleagues, Emily Shandrick, whom I absolutely love, Melissa Gagne, Jeremy Landon, and myself fully embraced the opportunities that we were given to curate amazing customer experiences for those people. And we are so honored that our passion for what we did shone through and that we were awarded and earned the gift that we're receiving today. So thank you so much, and we are so excited for what the next chapter brings. Thank you. Thank you.